Good morning. We will start today with asset side of balance sheet. We have taken enough of liabilities. Now, come on that asset. What is asset? A very simple definition I have given you in 11th. All the economical resource. Yeah, the resource that can generate economy, that can generate revenue, can be termed as asset. Here we are in company's financial statement, and we will know some different meaning as well as different view. So asset is not mainly explained here, but it is same asset that is, and asset is divided into two parts: non-current asset and current asset. You can see here. So according to me, I think after the amendment, company regulatory company law board want to focus more on current asset. So current asset and non-current asset. Come to the non-current asset. So what is non-current asset? The asset that is not current asset. Yes. Come to first of all, come at a fixed assets. Fixed assets further can be classified into two parts: tangible and intangible. The asset that has its own structure can be seen, that it's called tangible, and that don't have a structure is called intangible. Can you remember? Can you give me one example of intangible? Yes, like goodwill, patent, copyright. These are intangible assets. Okay, so fixed assets will classified into two parts: tangible asset and intangible asset. Tangible I have explained, intangible explained. Capital work in progress. What is capital work in progress? Is it related to capital? Hmm? Actually, it is not related to capital. Capital work in progress is under construction fixed assets. Suppose a building has not been constructed completely, has not been furnished, apartment has not been furnished, it is under construction. It will be categorized as capital work in progress. And same here, intangible asset under development. So if you can mainly focus on fixed assets is divided into two parts: tangible and intangible. Again, tangible is further capital is capital work in progress, and intangible as intangible asset under development. It may be possible you are just going to take a right of you are going to patent something, it is under process, it has you have not got the right, it will be termed as that. Okay, now again, tax deferred tax and I have skipped one, non-current investment. So current investment and non-current investment. What is non-current investment? Its intention is not to sell in normal course, is known as non-current investment. It may be classified as other or trade investment. Again, deferred tax. Next, deferred tax asset, deferred tax liabilities. If you have to pay more, your liabilities has to be paid. you have to pay deferred tax liabilities, you have to receive, you have to amount receivable from income tax department, deferred tax asset. It is not in your syllabus, but it may be asked that how deferred tax asset or liabilities will appear in the balance sheet. Now, long-term loans and advances. So, these are the amount, the loans and advances that are expecting to be back in cash or kind, but more than 12 months. Yes, if you will focus on this one, 12-month operating cycle has been taken here as mainly in just in the last slide as liabilities, current liabilities, non-current liabilities. The amount you have to pay within one accounting year is current liabilities, more than 12 month or one accounting period is non-current liabilities. Same is here. Asset possessed more than one accounting period is non-current asset, and asset can be converted within the same accounting year is current asset. So we are here long-term loans and advances. Obviously, the advances that will recover more than 12 months or in an accounting year is termed as. Now, other non-current asset. What is that? It is those kind of asset that does not fall in the above category can be termed as non-current assets. And if you can remember, there was also non-current liabilities. The same meaning is here. Non-current asset and same example, trade receivable, and trade receivable include debtors plus bills receivable. If you are going to receive the amount from the debtor more than 12 months and other accounting year, it will be termed as, yes, other non-current asset. Now come to current asset. The first is current asset. I told you what do you mean by current asset? The asset that can be converted within cash in an accounting year is known as current asset. So the first is here current investment. The investment that can be converted within 12 months into cash, a cash equivalent, is termed as current investment. Inventories, synonyms may also be used. Stock, it has actually been held for the purpose of trade. Okay, it may be raw material, finished goods, work in progress, etc. Trade receivable, it includes the amount that is receivable from debtors and bills within same accounting year. After that, you can see other short-term loans and advances. What is that? Same is here. Don't get much more bother about that one. You have advanced someone and it is going to be received in the same accounting year. It will be termed as short-term loans and advances. Other current asset. What is that? Other current asset. Now, those assets that was not classified in above categories will be termed as other current asset. Okay. So I think enough for you today. Bye. We are meeting again.